Hello Blue Whale families. Today is Top It Off Tuesday, so let's go over some tips and tricks on how we can effectively solve math word problems. First of all, just like any other question on any other test, I'll say it over and over again, you want to make sure you read the question in its entirety. You want to take your time so that you can fully understand what the question is asking. And then you want to take some time to think about the problem while asking yourself 3 things. The first thing you want to ask yourself is, what exactly is the question? You can't solve the problem if you don't know what the question is asking. The second thing you want to ask yourself is, what do I need to do to find the answer? Do you need to add, subtract, multiply, divide, a combination of those things? Make sure you know what you need to do to solve it. The third thing you want to ask yourself is, what information do I already have? A math word problem is a puzzle. You cannot solve it unless you have a few pieces of that puzzle. So look for that information and use it so that you can solve the problem. So in trying to figure out useful information in your math problem, write on the problem. Actually physically write on it if you're allowed to do so. In some cases you might not be able to, but if you can, write on it. And this is what you want to do. You want to circle any numbers that you may use. You want to cross out information that is not needed, and you want to underline the sentence or the phrase that tells you what you need to do to solve the problem. You can also draw a picture of the problem. So say, for example, the problem talks about there are 4 apples in 5 boxes. Okay? Draw the boxes out and draw in 4 apples in each of those boxes. And then maybe you drew the answer to your problem. You can also estimate. If you estimate accurately, then your estimated answer should be fairly close to your exact answer, and that will give you an idea of whether you answered it correctly. Also, be sure to always check your answers just like we do in any case. And the best way to become good at solving math word problems is to practice them. You have to do them over and over again, and if you do, the more you do them, the better you'll be. So, it's just like any other skill in life, you have to practice. I hope this helped you. I hope you're able to take something away from it to use the next time you solve a math word problem, and maybe you'll get a higher score the next time you take a quiz. For now, thank you for hanging with Dr. G. We'll see you at school.